Data in tables is boring and hard to understand, but when you convert the data into charts, everything becomes clear instantly. In this video, I will show you how to create powerful charts and visualization in Power BI step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to build your first visual dashboards. Hello everyone, welcome back to TrendIgnite, where you learn data analytics, Power BI and real career skills step by step. In the previous video, we clean and transform data using Power Query. Now it's time to turn that data into meaningful visuals. In this video, you will learn how to create charts in Power BI, how to use the visualization panel, how to build bar, line and pie charts, how to customize visuals, how to create your first dashboard. Visualization helps you understand data quickly. It allows businesses to identify trends, patterns and insights. That's why charts are used in almost every data analysis project. First, make sure your data is loaded into Power BI. Now go to Fields panel, select the column you want to use. To create a bar chart, click on Bar Chart from the Visualization panel. Drag on one field to axis. Drag another field to values. As you can see, Power BI automatically creates a chart. Now let's create a line chart. Select line chart, add date to axis and values to y-axis. This helps visualize trends over time. To create a pie chart, select pie chart, add category and values. This shows proportion and distribution. You can customize your charts easily. Change colors, add titles, adjust labels. This makes your reports more professional and readable. You can create multiple charts on the report canvas. Combine different visuals to build a dashboard. This is how real business reports are created. One of the best features of Power BI is interactivity. Click on one chart, other charts update automatically. This makes dashboard dynamic and powerful. So in this video, we learn how to create charts, different types of visuals, how to customize visuals, how to build a dashboard. In the next video, we will learn how to create interactive dashboards using filters and slicers. This will take your Power BI skills to the next level. If you want to become a data analyst, follow the series step by step. Make sure to subscribe to TrendIgnite and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.